This is the Kallaz, that bookshelf from IKEA. It's very practical. You can stand it up or leave it standing this way. You can buy the cubby holders, which are 9x9, that can contour to the information. You can put in some fancy as well. There's also backstop, and the backstop works like this. You can hook it up. It's very practical for quick, toys holding. It kind of centers around that. You can lift it up, and you can have a configuration that is this way. Let me lift it up for you guys. Again, this is very a niched one. So we had it configured like this, and you can configure it any way you want. You can put the felt covers on top, and this is how it looks like. You can also put the felt covers on the bottom. This is the brackets that actually go to mount to the location. Both the brackets look like this. There's other additional hardware that can make it more sturdy, more practical. Again, amazing Kallaz scenario. Actually, look for the description for more details. Bye.